Hello my lovely friends, this is Eleo again. Today we're going to discuss what is a complex sentence. No complications here, it's very simple. All you need is to pay good attention and enjoy learning. A complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. And as we discussed earlier, an independent clause can form a complete sentence, so it is equal to a simple sentence. However, we should not forget that for a complex sentence to be complete, we have to have a subordinating conjunction. A dependent clause cannot stand alone because it doesn't express a complete thought, and it usually includes a subordinating conjunction at the beginning of it. Therefore, some people call a dependent clause a subordinating clause because it usually starts with a subordinating conjunction. And today we're going to learn more about subordinating conjunctions. Now look closely at the subordinating conjunctions illustration. This is going to be very useful for you. And don't worry about it, nothing is confusing here. Now together let's look closely at this example. If I say, I want to learn more about the pharaohs. This is a complete thought, an independent clause, and it's a simple sentence, and it ends with a period. But if I want to make it a complex sentence, that would be easy. I'm going to remove the period and add a comma plus a subordinating clause. So I would say, I want to learn more about the pharaohs because they enrich the universe with knowledge. So here I gave a reason why I want to learn more about pharaohs, and I added my subordinating conjunction because. My entire sentence is, I want to learn more about the pharaohs because they enrich the universe with knowledge. Here we're going to discuss another example, but we're going to start with our subordinating clause. And we're going to say, whenever I sleep well. This is not a complete thought. We have to complete it. So we're going to add a comma and add an independent clause and say, I feel better. So my entire sentence is, whenever I sleep well, I feel better. Our last example for today would be if I say, I always wash my hands before I eat breakfast. If I say, I always wash my hands, that's a complete thought and it's an independent clause. But when I added before I eat breakfast, I added time, so I gave it an extra meaning or a more specific meaning with adding my subordinating clause or dependent clause. So, I always wash my hands before I eat breakfast is a complex sentence. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you've learned and you've enjoyed watching it today. We're waiting to see you in our upcoming videos. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.